Apple Tan, galing ako sa isang negosyanteng pamilya. Pero hindi ako nahilig sa pagninegosyo. Si bata pa lang ako, mahilig na ako mag-drawing. Ang gusto ko talaga maging isang sikat na architect. Pero unfortunately, hindi ako nakapasok sa eskwelahan na pinapangarap ko. Kaya I settle for my second option, nag-interior design ako. Hindi rin ako nakapasa ng board exam. Kaya at that time, honestly, talagang na-frustrate ako. Sabi ko nga, I have so many options in life. Kaso lang, I have no direction eh. Ang hirap pala nung ganung pakiramdam. Until such time na may pumasok na grupo ng Dream Team na nagpakilala sa akin ng negosyong ito. At pinamulat sa akin na ang pagninegosyo pala is the exact opposite ng negosyo na kinalakihan ko. Na pwede kang magnegosyo nang hindi mo kailangan ng malaking kapital para makapagsimula, hindi mo kailangan na magaling ka para makapagbukas ng ganitong klase negosyo. Pwede palang na maging masaya ka at makatulong sa maraming tao. Pwedeng hindi tayo pareho ng kwento ng buhay. Pwedeng ikaw ay isang OFW na naghahanap ng fallback pagbalik mo sa bansa kung saan ka man naninirahan. O isa kang empleyado na sawang-sawa na sa paulit-ulit na nangyayari sa buhay mo. O isa kang housewife na nag-iisip kung paano ka ba makakatulong sa pamilya mo. O isa kang anak na gusto makatulong sa magulang mo. O isa kang graduate na walang mahanap na trabaho. O undergrad na naghahanap ng opportunity para sa'yo. Magkakaibaban po tayo ng kwento ng buhay, pero meron po tayo isang common denominator na meron tayo. Gusto po natin kumita ng pera. At hindi lang po basta pera, kundi malaking pera. Yung susunod na video na mapapanood nyo, ito yung pwedeng ituturo namin sa inyo kung paano kayo kikita dito. At hindi lang pagkita, kundi kung paano kayo yayaman sa negosyo na to. Kasi sa loob ng 7 taon, dito na ako nakabili ng mga kotse ko, ng mga bahay ko, at nakapag-travel na rin ako sa ibang bansa. Mahirap man pong paniwalaan, pero ang lahat ng ito po ay nangyari lamang sa loob ng 7 taon. Kaya ako po ay suggest, just open your heart, just open your mind. Kasi pwedeng ito na po ang matagal na opportunity na hinihintay mo at matagal mo nang pinagdarasal. I'm Apple Tan, one of the founders of Dream Team. We royalize and we are taking the lead.
Let me first introduce you to our company. What is Royal Business Club International Incorporated? Royal Business Club is a 100% Filipino-owned company established in the year 2006. This globally recognized company is owned and managed by 2 very distinguished and remarkable people. First, our kind-hearted chairman, the Chief Executive Officer, Mr. Ricardo S. Castañeda, and of course, the debonair, our President, the Chief Operating Officer, Mr. Ju Luis Alan Nolasco. Currently, our main office, known as the Royal Center, which by the way po ay pag-aari po yan ng Royal, is located at the heart of the Quezon City. Truly a landmark not only in this city, but more importantly in the whole industry. Ang maganda dito, hindi lang tayo makikita sa Quezon City. We have company-owned branches scattered throughout the Philippines, sa Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Hindi lang yon, we are expanding globally in line with its vision to cater also the international arena. Sa ngayon po, we have operating company-owned international branches sa Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Taiwan, and Singapore. Very soon, magbubukas po ang ating mga international branches pa sa Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, and we even have our own building in London. It's just a matter of time before we expand our horizon towards new frontiers and open up more branches, both local and around the globe. Siyempre, importante rin na malaman natin ang negosyo ng Royal. Di po ba? What is the business of Royal? Good news! Royal is one of the most in-demand business. Ang sinasabi ko po dito is the health, wellness, and beauty products. Why did I say this? Alam naman natin kung ano ang patok ngayon, di po ba? Makikita natin yan sa mga dinami-dami ng mga negosyong nagsusulputan na mga kinalaman sa health o pagpapangganda. Nandyan po ang spa, salon, at supplements at kung ano-ano pa. Not to mention that Paul Zane Pilzer, it was even quoted as saying, wellness business is the next $1 trillion industry. Anyway, stay tuned po to learn more about our Royal products. But for now, just think about this. Isn't it about time we become proud of a Filipino company? Ipagmalaki ang sariling atin. Be proud being a Filipino. Let us start and do it with Royal. A 100% Filipino-owned company proudly expanding globally and royalizing the world. This is Chess Espaldon, one of the founders of Dream Team. From the Philippines to the world, we royalize.
Ngayon, paano naman kayo mag-start dito sa Royal Business Club? There are actually two ways for you to join. Number one, you have to fill out the sub-distributor form for only 300 pesos, and in exchange, may makukuha kayong produkto. And it will entitle you now to a 10% discount sa lahat ng produkto ng Royal. Now, number two, of course, you want a bigger income. So you guys have to go for a wholesale program. Para sa wholesale program, you have to be an independent distributor. Now, for you to become an independent distributor, you have to accumulate 150 points. Kasi ang business natin is point system. So, bawat produkto na binibili nyo sa office, nagkakaroon kayo ng mga points until such time you finish the 150 points. Now, there's what we call an instant 150 para maging distributor kayo right away. And that is what we call the promotional product package. Now, there are 5 sets of combination packages to choose from. Meron tayong set A, B, C, D, and E. Pwede kayong pumili kung anong package yung gusto nyo, and right away, maging distributor ka na ng Royal. Now, once you become an independent distributor, good news, your discount will now increase up to 30% sa lahat ng produkto. The company will also give you an independent distributor tracking center na makikita nyo lahat ng transactions nyo from all over the world. One set of materials will also be inclusive in the package na rin. Now, this is the good news. Magkano naman ba yung package na to? This package actually costs about 16,100 pesos, supposedly. But ladies and gentlemen, hindi mo to babayaran ng 16,100. Since you fill out the sub-distributor form and you were entitled to a 10% discount, the package will only cost for only 14,490 pesos. And that's really good news because the product's worth about 15 to 16,000 pesos once you lose it out and sell it. Diba? Meron ka pang kasamang negosyo. Now, as we move on, naging distributor ka na, there are 5 ways to earn para dito sa negosyo na to. Okay, what's number 1? Number 1, as I've mentioned earlier, the retailing program or the direct selling program. Since you get an outright discount of 30%, if you guys are into selling, may enjoy nyo ang outright profit nyo sa pagbebenta pa lang ng produkto. But again, kung gusto natin ng mas malakihang kita, then you have to concentrate on the wholesale program. That is through sponsoring people. The number 2, para kumita kayo dito, is the product package rebate. Because every person na na-sponsoran ninyo at napapakita natin yung ganda na negosyo and who wants to be a distributor like you, bumili ng package or accumulate 150 points, they will get about 1,610 pesos as a package rebate. Sa 10 tao na bumili ng package o nag-accumulate ng 150 points, you get about 16,100 pesos. And this is unlimited. You can invite as many people as you want. Now, number 3, we have what we call the sales match bonus for the leveraging program. Actually, for the sales match bonus, it's very easy. You just have to develop 2 sales organizations, which is one on the left sales organization, and the other one is the right sales organization. Now, for every person na na-sponsoran ninyo who wants to do the business just like you and be a distributor, and this person gets the 150 points, this person will be placed on your left sales organization, and the other person will be placed on the right sales organization. Once na nag-match yan, we call this a sales match bonus of 2,100 pesos. So every time there's 150 points on the left and 150 points on the right, you will get a matching bonus of 2,100 pesos up to infinity. So guys, this is what's good news about the business. Our business is just not based plainly on recruitment or sponsoring. Because what happens if there's so many packages sold on the left sales organization, on the right, walang nag-distributor who gets the package, but continuously use and sell the products. Nag-accumulate yung mga points na binibili na yon. Now, once na nag-accumulate at naipon into 75 points, hahanap ang system ng katapat sa left sales organization, bibigyan ka pa rin ng matching bonus ng company ng 1,050 pesos. So, which means our income is really based on product movement. You can make a match bonus on package to package to products, and products to products as well. Now, there's a maximum sales match bonus every day, and that's 10 matches per day. 10 matches per day is about 21,000 pesos per day. And in 7 days in a week, that's about 147,000 pesos per week. In a month, that's about more than 600,000 pesos maximum income potential in a month. Isn't it great? Pangatlo pa lang yun, may pang-apat pa tayo na income, which is the Unilevel program. You see, the Unilevel program, pwede kayong kumita through personally purchasing the products alone. Because all the products that you personally purchase, you will now enjoy 8% personal rebate, which you get every 10th of the following month. So let's say, for instance, every product that you buy from July 1 to July 31, you now get your 8% rebate on August 10. So lahat ng produktong binibili nyo, Kojic, lotion, deodorant, or any products of Royal, makakakuha ka ng 8%. Now, what if all your members are also using and selling the products? That would be great. Why? Because you will now enjoy an overriding commission from all of them. Which means you will get from 1% to 5% up to the 10th level. For your first level na bumili ng produkto, you now get 5% overriding commission. And 4% on the second level, 3% on the third level, and so on and so forth up to the 10th level. Liliit lang yun, but then pag pinagsama-sama mo yun, if you have thousands of distributors under your sales organization, malaki na kaagad yun. And the fifth way to earn dito sa Royal is the multi-level program. As you can see now on your screen, that you have the chance to earn up to 35% rebate. Now guys, ito yung business na gusto naming sabihin sa inyo at ikwento sa inyo. And this business has been proven and tested for the past 8 years. Matakot ka at magduda ka kung pagkatapos nyo itong pinakinggan at tatanungin nyo ako, may yumaman na ba dito? Kung ang sagot ko sa inyo, wala pa, susubukan pa lang baka sakaling ikaw ang una, maintindihan ko kung magduda ka. Pero mga kaibigan, more than 8 years na negosyon to. Bago mo pa ito pinakinggan, marami nang yumaman. In fact, in more than 8 years, do you know that this company has produced more than 800 millionaires already in 8 years' time? You know, I just could recall when I started the business about 7.5 years ago. Meron po akong ibang trabaho noon. Kaya kung may mga trabaho kayo ngayon dito, hindi po hadlang yan para maging successful kayo sa business na to. You know, it's just a matter of time management. I remember at that time, year 2006, I was connected sa isang real estate company and I was an executive property consultant. Maganda lang pakinggan yung position ko. May dating lang. Pero for the past how many years of being employed, wala po ako naipon, wala po ako naipundar. You know, I just realized I was so busy working for other people. And I was so busy making other people rich. Gusto ko rin yumaman. Gusto ko rin may mabago sa takbo ng buhay ko. I want to be in complete control of my life, to be in complete control of my income. Yun ang naibigay sa akin ng Royal. That I did not just enjoy financial freedom, but I also enjoyed time freedom. And for me, yun ang ibig sabihin ng complete ng success. Success means complete freedom. Sa loob ng 8 taon po na ginawa ko itong negosyong to, wala akong pinagsisihan. Dahil yung nangyari sa akin ngayon, kasama ng pamilya ko, kahit sa panaginip, hindi ko akalain na mangyayari ito. Now guys, kung nangyari sa amin, bakit naman hindi pwedeng mangyari sa inyo? Hindi dahil sa magaling ako. Ang magaling po yung sistema ng Royal. Na pag tinrabaho mo, seneryoso mo, ginawa mo ng maayos, hindi imposibleng mangyari sa inyo yung nangyari sa amin. Subok na ito. The company has been proven. We have the best company in the worldwide, which is now expanding not just locally but internationally. Ang products natin world-class. The business plan has been proven. You have a very strong group dream team to back you up. Ikaw na lang ang kulang. Do your part. Gawin mo ang parte mo. I assure you, kung ano yung nangyari sa amin, pwede ring mangyari sa inyo. Of course, I cannot guarantee success here. Kasi ang success nasa inyo pa rin. But what I can promise is opportunity. Who knows, ito na pala yung matagal niyong hinihintay. I am Raquel Espaldon, founder of Dream Team. We are taking the lead, and we are expanding globally.